burning coal here, so I just turn this crank to keep the air blowing on it. The metal only takes about 2 or 3 minutes to heat up that way.
Okay.
I'm working on a sign for somebody to hang up in their house. It's going to say their name on it. Just writing up the different letters right now. Just checking the size there. Everything you guys see in this shop is actually made here, though. All this stuff hanging up on the walls and on the counter. It's all done from scratch right here. O and a C. And
just use low carbon steel?
Yeah.
Cold roll?
Using mainly hot roll for this.
Hot roll.
Do a little bit of cold roll stuff. The hot roll bends around real good and easy.
Yeah.
I'll do knives and things like that out of files. And harder pieces of metal like springs and that, but most of what I do is just a mild steel.
Draw the heat out of it?
Yep. Everything, like nowadays, we still do a lot of repair work for wagons and any antiques that break that people can't find parts for down at Ace Hardware or Home Depot.
I do.
We're the ones that make up that stuff.
Excellent.
Find a lot of people get gifts, things for birthdays and Christmas gifts, things like that is what we do mainly, and decorative ironwork. As far as houses go, we do everything from the curtain rods and towel bars to little fences and door coverings. Things like that. Yeah, they did mainly, well, anything you can think of made out of metal. The blacksmith did. It was horseshoeing is what most people associate a blacksmith with, but the main thing they did was bending everything from nails to hinges and latches and wagon pieces and parts, and there's just tons of things that are made out of metal that nowadays whenever people go to a hardware store for, that's what the blacksmith did. But, when they were running wagons, that was a full-time job, keeping those pieces and parts in shape, and there was always something either wearing out or breaking, and so the blacksmith was on call all the time making stuff, and he was one of the most demanded professions back then.